We have a question here. 3 children are to share 936 biscuits in the ratio 2:3:4. How many will each receive? Solution. 3 children are to share in the ratio 2. The ratio of sharing is 2:3:4. Here, this goes for the first child, and this goes for the second child, and this goes for the third child. Total ratio is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4. That will give us 9. Number of biscuits to be shared. Number of biscuits to be shared is equals to 936. How many will each of these children? The first is going to receive. The first has a ratio of 2. The first is going to receive 2, the ratio for the first, over the total ratio, which is 9, times amount of biscuit to be shared, 936. So we have 2/9 times 936, and that's going to give us 2, 9 here 1, and 936. We have 104. 2 times 104 was 208. The first receive. Second receive is going to be 2. Second receive is going to be the second receive is 3, the ratio over the total ratio, times 936. That's going to give us 3 times 104, and that's going to give us 312. Third receive is going to give us, the ratio for the third is 4. 4 over the total ratio, which is 9, times 936. That is also going to give us 4 times 9. 936 divided by 9 is going to give us 104, and that's 4 times 104. We have 416. So how many? The question is, how many will each receive? So each will receive. The first is going to receive 208 biscuits. The second is going to receive 312 biscuits, and the third is going to receive 416 biscuits. So the first receive 208 biscuits. The second receive 312 biscuits, and the third receive 416 biscuits.